Okay, so yesterday in the sectoral debate, Bunting focuses on social intervention to beat crime. The opposition spokesman on national security said that more attention and resources must be invested in attacking the root causes of crime through carefully designed prevention measures. He mentions a citizen security and justice program, which he noted has specific objectives to improve social cohesion and community governance. He also mentioned the Unite for Change initiative, which started under his administration, which sought to foster a broad-based coalition of public agencies, private sector and NGOs, as well as churches to join in violence prevention initiatives. So that's what he is suggesting. He's saying we should find the additional billions promised last year to pump into these parallel tracks of crime control and crime prevention. So the question here is, will it work? But we all know we're all on the same journey to a path of a safer and more secure Jamaica.
And I think yesterday was the first day of the new commissioner. It's Coelho, right?
Coelho, yes.
Yeah, Commissioner Coelho, good luck, sir. You have a big job. But I think if everyone just holds hands, then we could do it. And by the way, yesterday was probably the last word we will hear from Mr. Bunting as the opposition spokesman on national security. I think everyone thinks he's going to move over to finance, which is his forte.
Because the current leader of the opposition
was the finance, the opposition finance spokesperson. So we suspect that
the shadow cabinet has been dissolved.
Yeah, so he has to name a new one. And we suspect Mr. Bunting, remember Daring, Bunting and Golding, that was the Bunting. So he does have a whole lot of
experience in the world of finance.
In the world of finance. So we expect to see him move over. All right, a Romanian scammer.
They're here
in Jamaica.
At Halfway Tree Pavilion.
At the ATM in Pavilion.
That is song make them come here.
And he said he's the mastermind behind an automated telemachine scam. Well, he was arrested yesterday and had someone with him, and they were found, when they say in excess of $180,000. What that mean? 181? 300,000? Why don't say in excess of 180?
Meaning
why
some
don't
change.
say
180 and some change. That is the correct way to write it in the newspaper. In excess of.
Yeah. They say it is alleged that the men used department store cards from overseas to carry out the scamming.
Credit card, department
store cards. So you know how you have some stores like say a store in Jamaica, they would have their own credit card. Yeah. That's done a lot in the stores overseas. So apparently they use a couple of those. Well, I just hope them go straight back to Romania. It's not a problem.
Deport him, they would say.
Isn't this one a joke, though?
This one, no. On the front page of the newspaper of the Gleaner today.
This one is a joke.
$100 mockery. The Tesha Miller fine of 100 Jamaican dollars. The parish judge yesterday mocked the 100 maximum fine that the law allowed her to impose on a reputed gang leader, Tesha Miller, after he pleaded guilty to making a false declaration to Jamaican immigration officials, says the newspaper. Some lawmakers, too, have expressed shock that such a maximum penalty remains on the books, saying it is a shame and the sleeping parliament has to do something quickly.
Yep.
Hear this, the paper costs more money than the sentence.
Yeah, well, I mean, to be honest, for any crime at all, and it's just $100, so how that will stop anybody from? So let me not do it again, because they might find me $100. Jamaica.
He was fined $100. Why? For those who don't know the story, who haven't been following, he was fined $100 for 10 days on one count of false declaration. There were 2 counts, and one is where they had evidence for. Okay.
Yeah.
And he pleaded guilty to that count using a fictitious name. So that's a fine.
Yep.
$100.
All right. The final one, I don't know if you remember Marlon Samuels, the West Indies cricketer that got hit in the eye a few years ago and actually could not see for a couple of days.
Wasn't it 2 weeks or something?
Well, at least I know he got hit in one eye and then it kind of hurt the other one. Well, he donated $1.8 million yesterday to the Jamaica Society to the Blind, which is just brilliant news. Congrats to Marlon. So he gave $1.5 million, and in that he gave $350,000 to a visually impaired student from Church Teachers College. So that's what you call giving back, folks.
Yeah.
So he had a scare, and then he realized how difficult it is for folks who can't see, and he wanted to do something, and he did. So he actually put his money where his mouth is, and I appreciate that. So.
And you know what's nice about that? What I really love, this is why, there's one reason I wish I was a big superstar athlete or a big superstar with lots of friends with lots of money, because he just has to put out a call and people come and pledge the money to good causes. It would be nice to have that ability to say, hey, rich friend, beg you $2 million for this project with the youth of Jamaica. So I want to implore all of the superstars out there to call your friends and keep supporting great causes. What you have on your phone, sir?
Well, I have 1 million birthday this morning.
So let me sit back.
You ready? It's a million of them I have. This one now is belated to Mrs. Janet Radcliffe. Look at that.
Hi, Miss Janet.
Hot lady. They call her Grandma Sheila. Grandma Sheila, I hope you had a great day yesterday. And the greetings came from your granddaughter Dana, your sister Jackie, your niece Abby, from me. I hope you had an absolutely amazing day, my good friend, and many, many, many happy returns. Belated birthday greetings also to Marcia and Tanisha from T Park. And that's coming from your family and friends. Also belated to Melissa Campbell. Melissa, I hope you had a great day. It's from the Roberts family. Happy birthday to Inspector Roberts, who is at the Halfway Tree Police Station. Happy birthday to Simone. Hold on. I mean, write it down still, Don't move. I don't understand how I write it down. I hope I never delete it.
Can I give one while you're looking for it?
No, I find it. Simone Wardlow. They call her Sim Simma. It's coming from Novlin, so Simone, have a great day today.
Can I do one?
Happy birthday to Dr. Karen Julius. Happy birthday, Dr. Karen.
And
I hope
Terry
you have a great
Carell.
day. Happy birthday to Terry Carell. It's her birthday today. It's coming from Londia. And I leave this one for last, even though it's a belated birthday, guys, my bona fide birthday. Happy birthday to Simon Mark Anthony Crosskill, whose birthday was yesterday. He's the ripe old age of 84. And Simon, I hope you can even walk now, yesterday, because I'm sure you had a couple of drinks and you.
Did you just say the man is 84? The man is not 84.
Simon is 84.
There's no way Simon is 84.
I'm telling you, he's my best friend. I know.
I know him. He's not 84.
But Simon is my best friend.
I know, but he's my friend and he's not 84.
Hold on, wait. I lie, it's true. He's 83. I'm sorry.
You're wicked!
No, I'm sorry. I miscalculated. He's 83. Well, if him probably don't wake up, I won't call him.
Call him and wake him out of his bed.
All right, happy birthday. Well, you don't have nothing to say.
I do.
Please,
happy birthday,
please.
Simon. Happy birthday, Terry Carell. We absolutely love you. And this young lady here, I want to do what you do. Can you show me how to do this?
Yeah, that's what it proper.
Okay, she's from Denby High, 10 Jamaica. Happy birthday. Her name is Kanisha Carr from the Denby High School. Greetings coming from your teacher, Mr. Clare, and your classmates. Have a wonderful day. And while he's on the phone trying to reach Mr. Crosskill, happy birthday to all the children.
I bet it hold it over here so in case I wake him up.
Oh, wait, no, in case he says the wrong thing. Leave him.
I'll get back to you.
You read to say, him say leave a message. If I know you, I'll get back to you. Bonafide, I hope you had a great 83rd one.
83?
And I wish you many, many
I don't
more.
believe
He's 83.
it.
All right, I'm going to call him.
Anyway, can you imagine? Wait, no man, happy birthday to all the children out there who are born, who are not 83, but maybe 3, maybe 8. Happy birthday to you all, especially our children in children's care, foster care, children's homes, and all that stuff. You know, we love you. Wake up and be blessed and just live a happy day because you are worth something and we believe in you. Happy birthday from Auntie Empress and Uncle Neville,
birthday,
who is 83.